So in this video, I'm going to go over these ant baits by the company Rescue. So these kills ants without the mess. Mess free, will not spill. You can see it has visible results overnight. And they come in this nice little kind of compact package right here. So the active ingredient on these things are the sodium borate, which is basically borax. And that's a pretty wide range of organic pest control stuff. And here's some of the directions on how to use these things. You want to just place the bait stations around different areas. Do not place them right on the counters. I'm going to show you guys exactly how these things work and how well they work. So I had a little ant trail right here. Check this out. Look at all of the ants right in here, and look when I lift this guy up. Look at them all go. One of them even has some bait in his mouth right there. So what it does, it has these little holes where they go up under them right there, and they go up inside there. And I don't know how well you can see inside there, but the ants are actually running out of this thing. Look at all of them kind of like piled up right there, and they have the actual like bait. What they do is they grab the bait, they take it back, and they feed it to the colony, and it starts wiping out the entire colony. Now these come in this little package right here. You're gonna have to cut this little package open. You just pretty much set it anywhere you want. I think this is a great option for anyone that just needs to have, you know, a nice contained little ant control device in around their kitchen, bathrooms, or even outside along the driveway like I have it right here. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the Rescue ant baits. See y'all in the next video.